Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to clear cache on Windows 11. And now let's get started. Step 1. Click the search icon on your taskbar, usually at the bottom left. This opens the search bar so you can quickly find apps and tools. Step 2. Type disk cleanup and open it. Then select your main drive, usually C, where most system files and cache are stored. Step 3. Check DirectX shader cache, temporary files, and program files. Clearing these helps your PC run smoother and frees up space. Step 4. Click Clean Up System Files. This removes extra files that normal cleanup doesn't catch, including old system caches. Step 5. Click OK and then delete files to confirm. This removes the selected files and clears your cache. Step 6. Click the search icon again, type command prompt, right-click it, and select Run as administrator. This opens the command line with full permissions. Step 7. Type ipconfig, flush DNs, and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache, which can fix website loading problems and improve browsing speed. Step 8. Close command prompt and restart your computer. Restarting ensures all changes take effect and your system runs fresh. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more tips.